I just don't see how a world that makes such wonderful things could be bad. Look at this stuff, isn't it neat? Wouldn't you think my collection's complete? Wouldn't you think I'm the girl who has everything? Look at this trove, treasures untold. How many wonders can one cavern hold? Looking around here, do you think, sure, she's got everything? I've got gadgets and gizmos aplenty. I've got who's its and what's its galore. You want thingamabobs? I've got 20. But who cares? No big deal. I want more. I wanna be where the people are. I wanna see them dancing, walking around on those, what do you call them? Oh, feet. Flipping your fins, you don't get too far. Legs are required for jumping, dancing, strolling along down a, what's that word again? Street. Up where they walk, up where they run, up where they stay all day in the sun, wandering free. Wish I could be part of that world. What would I give if I could live out of these waters? What would I pay to spend a day warm on the sand? Bet you on land they'd understand. Bet they don't reprimand their daughters. Bright young women, sick of swimming, ready to stand, ready to know what the people know. Ask them my questions and get some answers, like what's a fire and why does it, what's the word, burn? When's it my turn? Wouldn't I love to explore the shore above? Out of the sea. Wish I could be part of that world. Hi, hello. If you are new to this channel, this video is probably very random and seems out of place because I don't really do covers on this channel. But actually, for those that don't know, when I first started this channel, before it was even meant to be a channel, I used it for uploading my covers and songs and stuff. And I've done some other ones now that it's my channel. But most of those videos are now private. So anyways, yeah, I don't know. I'm just really excited for the Little Mermaid's 30th anniversary. And so I just wanted to sing Part of Your World because it's one of my favorite Disney songs and one of my favorite Disney movies. This was like pretty much improvised. I wasn't planning on doing it because, like I said, it's not my typical type of content. And apologies if it's not perfect. The cover, I know I need to work on the song, but I was like, you know, I'm just gonna do it. I'm just gonna do it because why the heck not? So yeah, I kind of just set up my little mic and recorded it. So if I sound weird in some parts, well, I just need to practice more. Anyways, that's not the point of this. The point is that, yeah, I love The Little Mermaid. I do sing on the side as a hobby, and I just wanted to share it with y'all. We'll be back to our regular vintage and other Disney content, and I will see you guys very soon with another video. Sending you all a super duper big virtual hug. Thank you for putting up with my randomness on here. And yeah, bye.